Hey guys, this is a video from my old channel, and I'm seeing, I want to do these videos again. This is like toy destruction. This video is called I Found This Pink Ugly Turtle and Look What I Did to It.
Hey guys, today is Thanksgiving, which we're gonna be with, family and stuff today. Just have a family time. And, yeah, so for this video, I was walking to Super last night, right? And look what I found. This. Can't really see it. Hold up. Found this. Look at this boopy poopy face. Man, I hate this. You guys wanna know what I'm about to do to it, bro? Hold up, there's a car coming for some reason. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to get this piece of trash, slam it on the ground, destroy it and everything.
Slam it on the ground. Slam it on the ground and destroy it and everything.
You got these little birds, Juncos I'm looking at. Dark-eyed Junco. The dark-haired Junco. Alright, so I'm in this, parking lot space. And I'm gonna slam it and stuff.
This video, I remember this.
See this piece of trash?
Oh man. I still have these wings as well, on a different shirt though. What am I doing? Oh my gosh!
Guys.
What happened? Oh wait, I think I remember this part.
Guys, the eyes came off.
Oh my god, a piece of the eye? Bro.
Eyes came off, guys. Look.
Dude, I forgot I did this. I broke the eyes too.
I'm not done though, so I hope it's ready.
Okay, I think I remember this video. I remember this one.
See this? Look it.
Okay, so I just want to confirm something. For some reason, I found it satisfying just destroying toys. I don't like hurting things, though, but if you look back there, then that's actually a shirt from a Woody doll that I destroyed. Didn't catch it on video, though, but yeah.
This part of the eye didn't out. So I'm gonna get it out.
Jeez.
There we go.
Okay, so many people found it impossible to destroy stuffed animals, but somehow I managed.
Zombie, sloppy face, pokey pokey soapy.
Okay, so instead of cursing, what I did was I just made up words that sound funny.
Piece of
Dang.
Stoopy poopy.
Hold up. Wow. Aha! I'm trying to break it. I think. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm having a lot of fun. I'd like to do this again, too. Dang!
I hope I can rip it.
Oh, wow. Dang, I kicked the head away.
Too bad you can't go in your shell.
I sound way higher though before when I made my bird calls. The thing is, when I made bird calls before, I could actually make songbird sounds, but now I can't because of puberty, so I sound like
Raindrop legs.
Raindrop legs.
Baldy head legs.
Baldy head legs. I still have those shoes too. I need to wear those again. Trash.
Snoopy, look at this frisbee body.
Look at this frisbee body.
You know what that means?
You know what that means? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What did I just do? Did I just... I threw it over the... Flapping my wings. Oh yeah, I remember this part. Dang! I was faster back then. I'm still fast like that. Dang! I said get out of my life.
Today's video, guys.
That's
Hey,
it.
so I'm gonna go enjoy my Thanksgiving
This
day.
is on Thanksgiving? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, not to mention there's a part 2 to this. I did way more to that turtle, so yeah. I did. Here it is.
Guys, I came back to get the turtle because I thought maybe I should get it.
I didn't think I did enough.
Wakey, wakey.
What did I do? A brick?
Wakey. Wakey.
Dang! Wakey, wakey. What? I kicked it, didn't I? Wait, what did I forgot this part. What did I do? Oh, I remember. Just watch, guys. Watch. Oh my gosh! A bottle?
I can't rip it. Oh wait. Yes I can. I knew it had a bean butt. See this bean bag right there?
Dang.
This bean bag ain't coming up for nothing but
What did I do?
nothing but trash.
Man, I remember being this happy. I was so fun. I need to get back to doing this because this is what made me happy. What did I... Oh, yeah, I remember this. Yeet. There was like this ledge and I jumped. I threw... I had to go get it because... Oh, there it is.
Well, at least I ripped out the beans. Pull that bag.
There's pine stuck on it. All these people just driving by like, what is this kid doing?
Get it all out. All the beans out.
I wasn't quite a teenager yet, but I still want to do this because it's fun. Whoa.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. Alright. Freaking beads on my tablet. Alright, guys. So, that was it for today. I just wanted to come back and see what else I could do to that piece of trash down there on the ground.
Wow, on that same day I walked to the dumpster side and right sitting on the side I found this pink dollhouse. And this is how it went and what I did to it.
Hey guys. So, I already did the turtle thing.
The turtle thing?
Nest. So, I already did I destroyed that turtle punk. And now, I found something else. So when I get there, I'll show you just what it is. It is really, really cool. What thing I'm going to destroy. I found out at the dump. So,
I call it the dump.
let's get that. Guys, you guys won't believe what I just found.
What is going on with my audio in this video? It wasn't like this before. Is that cotton from the turtle? I forgot to get that piece.
Look at it. Let's take a look at this before we destroy it. It's a dollhouse. Isn't this adorable? But look, there's like a plate in there. It's like just a shower. It's for Barbies. And then there's a toilet right here. And then there's a sassy mama, Felicia. I don't like this pizza.
Whoa! Oh, let's get a replay on that. Bro. I missed it.
Shoot! Shoot!
Jesus!
Shoot! Did I get that? Did I get that on camera? Yes, I did.
Did I make a remix on this? I did. When I was little, I tried to make a remix of this. Aha-tastic. I always made up words. Don't judge me. I can make up words if I want to. You're not stopping me either. I need to do this again. This looks like fun.
The pieces of the turtle aren't here because I cleaned it up, obviously.
Except for that piece right there that I didn't clean up. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It really tried to hit me. Did y'all see that? Dang! That thing was coming at me. I was hitting moves though. I'm not dumb. That leg though. Sloppy leg slap. Man, see, sometimes it's good to be funny and silly and stuff, you know? That's what I want to do. Dang, what? Didn't I do my bird call after I demolished this thing? Jurassic Jatu bird. Oh, man. I wish I could still do that call. That call scared a lot of people. I don't know what to do now because it's all destroyed. Not all the way, though. Like, when it came to destroying things, I didn't like using tools or something, you know? I like doing it myself.
I'm gonna clean this up.
Yeah, I wasn't going to leave it, obviously. And when I was cleaning up, I also had the results. So here's that.
Before I clean this up, I want to show you guys the pieces of the house, which you guys probably are like, why do you end the video and just not show us? I don't know what this is.
I have no idea what that is. Is that a piece of the roof?
The door, which I'm also breaking half. Dang it. So we got the door. Yeah, baby.
Dang! How did I do that? I did not think I was going to do it.
The house, I tore it up like a tornado style. Tornado style.
Tornado style.
Like a tornado style.
Oh man, I miss these days.